YouTube. Today I will show you how to get this cool looking Mac theme thing down here, and you can put any of your icons on there. So yeah. Alright, now let's get started. First, you want to open up your internet browser, whether it's Mozilla or Internet Explorer or Safari or whatever you got. Now in Google, type Rocket Dock, and now it'll go to rocketdock.com down the bottom. About Rocket Dock. Now just click on that. Wait for it. Now, when you're in here, just watch this. Now, when you want to download it, just click download. Now you want to download the latest version, so you just click up there or down here if you want. I'll just click up here. Now, if you want to save it to your desktop or whatever, just save it. Just run it and then wait for it to download. And then, yeah, just install it. Then, it'll come up with some dock settings or something. It'll have all these weird icons, but don't worry about that. So I'll show you how to get rid of stuff. Like, say here, you just want to, say if I want to take something off, I just drag it off, and there you go. And then it will just poof away. And now, if you want to put something on, I'll just put my iPod folder on here, say. You just drag it right to the very edge there, let it go, and there you go, yeah, have your folder. And you can just move that back, and yeah, it'll keep your desktop nice and clean. So, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any problems, just rate, comment, and or send me a private message, and then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And remember, subscribe, rate, and comment. Alright, see ya.